Konnichiwa YouTubers, it is Heartbroken Biker. This is Vicky the stunter over here, and I'm here at Dynamic Ryderz, the new store that opened, and I was here at the store opening as a guest, so I did not take any footages that day. It was super busy, but I'll let you in a small sneak peek of that day's footage. And today I'm gonna show you the store as such. So right now, first go and check out that footage, and then come back.
And the face of Indian Hyderabadi biking community, at least in among the youth, and very popular, very light-hearted guy, very point-blank reviews. And then we have Heartbroken Biker, one of the senior most guys when it comes to vlogging. Senior my home, make it popular here.
I think Mazdar bhai needs no introduction when it comes to racing. अब थोड़ा सा बोलिए आज इस बार जीते जो बोलिए जरा.
Yeah, now we have a special helmet launch that's happening, so let's see what lies under the veil. Okay, so Zohair and HPB to do the honors, and of course Mazdar bhai. Top of the line variant comes at 5750.
750 and 4750 models have pin lock visors. Wow, somebody is whispering 5 years warranty on the shell.
Get 5 years warranty on the shell as well.
Side में से आया कहाँ से आवाज? So let me take you through the concept of the store. This side is you can eat from there, you can hang out here, and it's got a garage inside, and you can also watch your motorcycles being serviced. That's meant only for superbikes. I'll show you that in a bit. But this is the store part. That over there inside is the garage part, and this is the food part. This is the hangout part, and this is where you park the bikes. So let's walk into the store and take a look. Alright, inside the store, here we have the Dark Circle commuter, the upcoming moto vlogger here. ये अपने को दिखाएगा पूरा store. Please.
Hi everyone. So on this side we have all the tank pack section. Here we have the lineup of the riding jackets.
Lot of riding jackets, lot of varieties. Up there, down here. Up there, down here. Try करना है तो निकाल लो, चढ़ो मत उसके ऊपर. Next.
Our crowns.
Yep. The helmet section, plethora of helmets. Look at that lineup. So these are the SHIRO helmets that I launched that day, and this is the top end model. This is I think for 5750. Then there is a middle level model for 4750, and then there is a 3750 also, one of them in these two racks, completely SHIRO. You can check them out. एक दिन रात में आते हैं, पूरे लेके आते हैं.
किसी को पता नहीं चला.
नहीं, I think Varun has installed CCTVs. You installed CCTVs, no? And this is Varun, the store owner, pretty good friend, long time. We've seen him change 4 stores, no? Ab tak?
Yeah,
Same
4
store,
stores.
same Dynamic Ryderz, different upgrades.
Yeah.
Good to see you grow, man. This is the 4th and bigger, and I hope you go much bigger. Dynamic Ryderz logo
We
hai
request
piche.
all your bloggers to be here anytime whenever they're free.
Yes.
This is just for tea.
Awesome. So he's inviting all the bloggers, viewers of bloggers also. If just come, hang around, have food, look at the store. If you like something, then you pick up. Sena Vena, बहुत सारी चीजें. Not just the things that are around here. You can also order custom stuff.
We will get it.
And would you like to show us the garage? The premium walk-in है इधर.
This is a garage. We have all kind of equipment. And soon we are coming out with a more bigger equipment for the bikes as well. And we are planning for expansion for the garage as well.
Awesome.
And hopefully maybe you will be seeing a dyno as well. Most probably.
Sweet. So you'll have a dyno setup.
We are planning for.
जिसको अपने BHP पे डाउट है सब ये करने के. And what, only super bikes on this?
No, all above 300cc we are doing it.
Above 300cc premium
segment. 250, one of my friend owns it.
Sweet.
So we're also servicing that as well.
Awesome.
So any vehicle above 250, 300cc we are doing the work. The main motive behind doing this is like we are sharing all the pics and videos, whatever the oil we are using it and what's the air filter, oil filter and all. We are sharing it with the customer in the WhatsApp and all to make it as transparent as possible. So that they will be having a trust like what is the parts which has been installed in their bike.
And they can do all the upgrades also. I see, like you can have frame sliders, you can have
LED bulbs,
HID lights,
radiator guard, tail tidies, fly screens, anything, mobile mount chargers, all the stuff.
so not just cosmetic, also performance upgrades.
Everything. Even
Everything.
AC project Konik, we bought it for this bike. So
Sweet.
this is the one. And we are getting an Arrow headers and tubeless exhaust for other Z900 as well. And Ninja 1000 we are getting another headers for them as well.
Beautiful.
So everything, whatever you need, it's one stop for all.
Beautiful. So इधर सर्विस करते करते इधर से खा सकता हूँ क्या मैं?
Please, anytime.
चल अब कैफे की चीजें खाते हैं.
चलो.
Face reveal అయిపోతుంది. Okay, something else that I'm loving about the vibe of this place is this nice decals that they've done on the. It's not decal, it's actually street art on the walls of the stores, and then there are queues of like biker stickers everywhere. And alright, this is one section, the door itself with a rifle. Car 98 hai wo bro, Car 98 for PUBG. Alright, so that's it for this vlog. I'll see you again in the next one. I hope you guys will come check out Dynamic Ryderz, and if you do, check out the plethora of stuff that is there and ask them what is my favorite. Varun will actually help you out with whatever you want. That's it. Sayonara. यहाँ पे बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं.